Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to solve the system of equations. Both the given equations are quadratic equation in two variables. Let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we will use the elimination method by which we will eliminate one of the variables from both the equation and will form an quadratic equation in single variable. So to perform elimination, we will perform addition or subtraction of the two equations, for which we will have to have one of the variables with the same coefficient. So in the first equation, coefficient of x square is 4, and the second equation, the coefficient of x is 3. In the first equation, coefficient of y square is 5, and the coefficient of y square in the second equation is 1. So we can multiply the second equation by 5 so that we can get the coefficient of y square 5, and then we will subtract the two equations so we can eliminate the y square from both the equations. So first we will multiply equation number 2 by 5, so that we can make the coefficient of y square equal to the coefficient of y square in equation number 1. So 5 into 3x square plus y square is equal to 3. Now 5 multiplied with 3 is 15 x square. 5 multiplied with y is 5y square. And 5 multiplied with 3 is 15. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now we will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 3. So subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Equation 3 is 15x square plus 5y square is equal to 15. We have equation number 1 is 4x square plus 5y square is equal to 4. Now we are performing subtraction, so we will change the signs of our equation. So 5y square cancels out with minus 5y square, and 15 minus 4 is 11. X square is equal to 15 minus 4 is 11. Now x square is equal to 11 by 11, means x square is equal to 1. So taking square root of both sides, square root of both sides, so we have x square under the root is equal to 1 under the root. Square cancels out with square root, so x is equal to, and this can be written as plus minus 1 square under the root. Square root cancels out with square, so x is equal to plus minus 1. Now when x is equal to 1, we will insert the value of x in either equation 1 or equation number 2, and we will get the value of y. So let's say we insert the value of x in equation number 1. So equation 1 implies that 4 into 1 square plus 5y square is equal to 4. 1 square is 1 multiplied with 4 is 4 plus 5y square is equal to 4. Now take 4 to the right hand side. So 5y square is equal to 4 minus 4. 5y square is equal to 0, which means that y square is equal to 0. Take square root of both sides. So we have y square is equal to 0. Square cancel out with square root and implies that y is equal to 0. So when x is 1, value of y is 0. So one order pair is 1, 0. When x is equal to minus 1, then equation number 1 implies that 4 into minus 1 square plus 5y square is equal to 4. Now 1 minus 1 square is 1 multiplied with 4 is 4. 4, 5 y square is equal to 4, and we got the same equation as this one. After solution we will get y is equal to 0. So when x is equal to minus 1, the value of y is still 0. So the other ordered pair is minus 1 over 0. So solution set of the given system of equations is 1 over 0 and minus 1 over 0. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.